Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G30, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you want to open up Settings, obviously, and from here scroll down till you see Storage option, which is right over here. Select your SD card. Yes, let's go with Files. Then tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the Format option. So once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove basically everything from that card, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, well, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to, tap on Format SD card. The process will immediately begin, and it only takes a couple seconds. Once it's finished, which it should be right about now, there we go, all you need to do is click on Done and you're finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.